the holidays, and in this video I'm going to show you some low prep, easy to do holiday games and activities that you can do with young children. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and before I get started, we are doing a Christmas giveaway. I'm going to sign a copy of Wish It's the Weather book and our gratitude journal just for you. So if you want to enter to win, comment Christmas below in the chat. But let's get right into the first holiday game. So the first holiday game is candy cane fishing. All you're gonna do is get some candy canes, put them in a bowl or a box, and encourage children to use the candy cane to hook another candy cane. So you can see how many candy canes they can hook, you can count, make it fun, and there you go. So the second holiday game that is super fun for young children is the mystery Christmas or winter bag. So you can fill a bag each day or every week, or just fill it with 25 items or less, and you can count down Christmas or winter with different objects. So I like to count down Christmas and winter using books. So each day I might have the children come up, grab in the bag, but you can also use objects. So you can use things, maybe objects that you're going to use for that activity that day, and see if they can guess what they think is in there. Pine cones, anything winter or Christmas related. Another fun game activity is make snow. It only takes 2 ingredients, and I'll make sure I link that video below. And if you've been liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Another fun activity to do is where is the star? Each day you can hide the star, or encourage the children in your home or your class to hide the star somewhere and see if children can find it. To make it more educational, you can also add different shapes and see if children can find which one is the star, and you can have a whole little conversation about that.
And if you want a hands-on, fun, Christ-centered lesson plan, I have a freebie link below.
Another super fun activity is Pictionary. Get a whiteboard and you can start drawing like a snowman or a Christmas tree or evergreen tree, and see if children can guess what you're doing. And the fun part is they can then become the artist who draws, and the other children can guess. Another fun activity is put the nose on the snowman.
You can buy this game ready to go on Amazon, or
so you can cut out 3 circles and have several triangles, and have the children blindfolded come up and try to pin the nose on the snowman. Now obviously for young children you don't want to use sharp objects, so you can use contact paper and let the children stick it on the snowman. So another fun activity is a homemade musical sing-along using homemade instruments. So you can use cardboard boxes, pots and pans, and have or plastic bottles. Have children fill those things up and you guys can sing. Another fun activity you can do is a winter or Christmas talent show. Have the children, give them a set amount of time and have them practice, and then they come up and sing or dance their favorite winter Christmas songs. Another super fun activity is musical chairs. Turn on those seasonal songs and allow children to play musical chairs, and it's super fun. And then you can also extend that to the next game, which is the free song. So turn on some seasonal music, let them dance, let them wiggle. You can call out different animals, you can even tie it to Arctic animals, and then have them freeze. Another super fun activity to do is winter art. Not crafts, but art. So put out a variety of art supplies like pom-poms, different type of construction paper, gift wrapping paper, tissue paper, markers, crayons, glitter, all the things. Put it out in front of them. You can open up some books all around the room and allow them to be inspired by the images that they see to create their own winter or Christmas art. And last but not least, I have a wonderful winter activity kit that has all the little ready to go activities, ideas that you can do, and I'll make sure I link that below. But let me know right now in the chat below, what holiday game did you see today that you're gonna do with your children or the student in your class? Let me know right now in the chat below. below. And again, if you want to be in our Christmas giveaway of Wish It's the Weather book and the Gratitude Journal, all you have to do is comment Christmas below. And if you're not a Brown Bear Book Club member, you're going to sign up to brownbearbookclub.com, totally free to sign up, and you'll become a member and be entered into the giveaway. Now, if you're already a member, all you have to do is comment Christmas and I'll make sure that you're in the drawing. All right, guys, and if you're having a challenging day, which sometimes we do as parents and educators, I want you to remember that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. May the Lord strengthen you and bless you today with your littles. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.